Hello, my name is Jammir Gray. I'm the executive chef of Compline in Napa Valley. Compline is a farm-to-table restaurant. We source about 80% of all of our produce and meats right here in California. Serving lamb on the menu is a really natural fit here in Napa Valley because it pairs really well with Napa Valley wines, and the grazing sheep are actually used in many of the vineyard's sustainable management practices. These sorghum-glazed American lamb chops are paired with some southern classics, black-eyed peas and pickled mustard greens. American-raised lamb is known for its beautiful, large, and tender ribeyes. Here I'm using some French racks of American lamb. The rack chops on each plate makes for an impressive plate presentation. For the sorghum glaze, simmer together sorghum, garlic, shallots, apple cider vinegar, whole grain mustard, salt and pepper until you have a syrupy consistency, about 10 to 15 minutes. Sorghum is a grain that, when cooked down, turns into a syrup much like molasses. Next, I'll season my lamb chop portions with salt and pepper. I cook it on a hot grill, about 4 minutes for a mid-rare, 5 for a medium. In the last minute, right before the lamb is done, brush the lamb with a sorghum glaze, making sure to get all sides. Remove from the heat and allow the lamb to rest. Cut the double chops into single chops after resting to expose that beautiful meat. Plate the chops with some black-eyed peas, the pickled mustard greens, and some additional sorghum glaze. This dish was inspired by my family's southern heritage. The creamy black-eyed peas, the bright mustard greens, and the sweet sorghum glaze really complement the lamb chops.